Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore investor partnership agreements using Rocket Lawyer, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section. In the search bar, type Partnership Agreement and hit Enter. Browse through the available templates specifically designed for investor partnerships. Select a template that meets your needs. Carefully review the document details to ensure it aligns with your requirements. Click on the Use this document button to start customizing. Follow the guided prompts to fill in your partnership details, such as partners' names and investment amounts. Add any specific clauses that may be necessary for your agreement. Once you've completed the customization, review the document thoroughly. Make any final adjustments as needed to ensure accuracy. When satisfied with the document, click Save to store your changes. Next, click on the Download option to get a copy of your agreement. Choose the desired format for your document, like PDF or Word. After downloading, it's time to print and sign the agreement. Consider having it notarized if required by law or for additional security. Store the signed copies in a safe place for future reference. You have now successfully restored your investor partnership agreement using Rocket Lawyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.